Hello, all my dear viewers. Very warm welcome in my YouTube channel English Junction by JJ. Today I am going to explain you class 7th chapter 1 Frog Nap, the question and answers. Theme is the world around us, and this chapter is taken from your book English Junction, publication Orient Black Swan. And if you want the explanation of further chapters from these books and even notes videos you want, then please click on the right top corners on I button. There's an I button in a right top corner. You just have to click. You will get the other informations of the other chapters from this book. So let us start the question answers of this chapter. It is from a comprehension A. Answer these questions. The first question is, where was the frog when the woman found him? So answer for this question is, the frog was in a mechanic shop when the woman found him. In the starting of the chapter where the frog was, that situations you have to explain here. Okay, so the next question is here. Question number 2 is from your book English Junction. How did the frog feel at the beginning of the story? Here you have to explain about the feelings of a frog, what he feels in the beginning, starting of the chapters. The explanation feelings of that frog is mentioned there in the starting first paragraph, that the frog felt very hot, dizzy. That all you have to write in this answer. So the frog, the answer for this question is, the frog felt very hot, dizzy and afraid at the beginning of the story. He could not handle the noise at the mechanic shop. That much is enough. No need to elaborate much this question. This is enough. Okay, now the next question is, what did the woman do after catching the frog? Here you have to explain about that a boy mother's activity, what she did after seeing that catching the frog. So here you have to write, she put the frog in a plastic bag, sprinkled some water, and then threw in some green leaves and knocked the bag. Then she bit a small hole in the bag. Here actually bit twice it is, but you just write one time. Bit a small hole in a bag, छोटे holes किया bag में for oxygen, and put the bag in her knack snap already explained in our online classes, and in explanation also, explanation video is also given to you. So now the next one is, why did the frog feel better in the restaurant? So the answer for this question is, the air conditioner in the restaurant made the frog feel better. Okay, this is the accurate answer for this question. Suppose this question will come for a 5 marks, 4 marks, then you have to little bit explain it more. That frog is in starting, frog is not feeling well. When he feels there of that air condition in the restaurant, then it will make that frog feel better little bit according to the marks. But accurate answer for this is enough. This answer is enough. Okay. Now the next question is, how did the frog get at home? The answer for this question is, the frog was in a moving vehicle with a rope, that a boy and the woman. He jumped out when he got the chance to escape. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay, the next question is, what happened when the frog told his friend about his adventures? Adventures means when the frog, here you have to explain the situation when after all these adventures, all this incident, when that frog reached finally at their home, end of the story. Then what happened there? The frog's friends were asking now that where are you from these days, kahan the tum? Then when he started explaining the adventures to his friend na, his friend did not believe him. उन्हें इनके इसके बात पे विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ. Then the answer for this question is, his friend did not believe him. Simple and point to point answer is, his friends did not believe him. In your notebook you can write when the frog told his friend about his adventures, his friend did not believe him. Okay, and this much also if you can write, it is okay, no issue. Okay, the next question is, what is the huge multi-roomed cave? Multi-roomed cave for a frog. Here you have to explain according to the frog. For a frog, what it is. The huge multi-roomed cave is actually a house for a frog. ये frog के respect में बोला जा रहा है. किसके लिए? Frog के लिए. Okay, now the next question is, what are the things that the other frog had said about this cave? Their friends. Other frog means that a frog friends, what they are saying about these caves means the houses, human houses where we are living, human houses. They said that the house had plentiful of water, glowing lights at nights, that attracts a lot of insects, many places to hide, and no snakes or birds. Means finally they are safe if they are living in that cave or a houses where human are. A lot of water, plentiful of water, glowing lights at night also. In a forest in a night time they didn't get the glowing lights. Attract a lot of insect. Light की वजह से, because of that light, insects came to that places, and frog will eat that insects. तो उसे फूड भी मिल रहा है, पानी भी मिल रहा है, रहने के लिए एक सेफ और सुरक्षित घर मिल रहा है. क्यों? Because in a houses no snakes and or birds. Okay, now the next question is, this is comprehension B. Here what you have to do, complete this table. Okay, so place is mentioned here, the mechanic shop, and how the frog felt in that place. What the frog felt, that you have to write here. So mechanic shop में उसे कैसा लग रहा था, what the frog, you have to write about the frog feeling here. So the mechanic shop, very hot, dizzy and afraid. That frog felt very hot, dizzy and afraid. That much only you have to write. The restaurant, the frog feels very relaxed. So you have to write relaxed and calm. Third one is a home. Home में relieved and happy. This is the answer for this question. Okay, this is very easy. Take your time to complete these notes. Okay, now come to the comprehension C, think and answers. This answer I am not giving to you because you have to write this answer by yourself. Why? I will tell you. Do you think, first I will read the question, do you think the frog will enjoy living in a human home? Say why you think so. The frog will enjoy living in a human house. Yes, of course. Say why you think so. So here you have to tell about your feeling, what you think. So here if I will write my thinking, it will not be good. So this question you have to do by yourself, what you think. Okay. So I left here. So many children message me from your school also, from outside also, that please give the answers for think and answers. That is this part answer. Why you are not giving think and answer? Madam, please give. I have received so many messages regarding this in YouTube also, in personally WhatsApp also, in mails also. But this think and answers, especially it is for yourself. What you think, your feeling you have to express here. That's why I am not giving always. I am not giving think and answers. This question, thinking based question answer I am not giving. Okay, you have to write yourself. That will develop your mind, what you think. So you have to write by yourself. Okay, so the next question is, here I am going to close the camera because of the camera this question is not clearly visible. So I will off the camera. Okay, now this is from a grammar B section. Rewrite these sentences in a reported speech. So here the question is given, you have to write in a reported speech. My sister said to me, why do you want to go out now? So the answer for this question is, here reported speech means indirect speech. Okay, here you have to remove all the commas and double inverted commas. Okay, and in a simple way you have to write the sentences. So here we can write, my sister asked me why I wanted to go out? First one is already given in your book. That's why I am giving here answers from a second point. Third is, why was the frog Daisy? The teacher said. So we can change in a this sentence like this way. The teacher asked the class why the frog was Daisy. Fourth one is, my friend Susmita asked me, why did you came late to school today? The answer for this question is, my friend Susmita asked me why I was late to school today. Just remove the double inverted commas, question marks, and as simple we write here. Okay. Okay, now the fifth one is, what is the time? Said Meera. You can change it. Meera asked me what the time was. Sixth one is, the bus driver said to us, where do you want to get off? The answer for this question is, the bus driver asked us where we wanted to get off. Now the seventh one is, my father said to me, when will you get home? The answer for this question is, my father asked me when I would get home. These all you have to write in your notebook with a question. As I am showing in this slide, the same thing I want in your classwork notebook. I hope it is clear. Okay, now the next one is, next question is again continue it is. Now Linda said, I had like to know where the laboratory is. Linda said that she would like to know where the laboratory was. 9th, Sanya said to Aditya, would you mind passing the rice? Sanya asked Aditya if he would mind passing the rice. Okay, now the last one is, the visitor said, how far is it to the railway station? The visitor asked how far it was the railway station. It was to the railway station. Okay. Now complete these all 10 sentences and write as it is I am showing in a slide. This is the last grammar part that you have to do. Further the exercises already I explained you in your class, online class. So I hope you will complete your all the question answers and these grammar exercises as soon as possible and show me your work. If still you have a doubt, you can ask me personally on my WhatsApp number also, or you can give a comment in a YouTube comment box also. So I hope you will understand the video. If you like the explanation of my video, so please, if you understand my video, then please like, subscribe, do comment in a comment box, touch the bell icon, and thank you for watching my video and complete your work as soon as possible. Okay, bye children.